Are we ready for the next pandemic? I mean, look, we just went through all of this with the COVID pandemic. It seems like we would have learned a ton of lessons and now we're implementing them so this never happens again, right? I've been speaking with former top health officials and experts who say we are in worse shape than we were in 2019 before COVID hit. Trump has laid off the staff at the CDC, the NIH, of the FDA, all of these agencies that are tasked with keeping us prepared for the next pandemic so we can respond as quickly as possible. All of that severely undermines our ability to detect the next outbreak as it's emerging, respond to it, and keep it from becoming a big deal. Just look at what's happening in DRC and Uganda with this Ebola outbreak that should have been identified and contained much faster. One of the top health officials at a recent event in Washington, D.C., Tony Fauci, you might have heard of him, said that a major challenge is misinformation, that lies and myths are spreading on social media, and U.S. officials are not doing very much to counteract that. He said, it doesn't really matter if you publish a study in the New England Journal of Medicine with 17 supplementary figures when most people are never going to hear about it. So how do we reach people where they are? I think it might be YouTube. And look, I get it. We're all traumatized and exhausted after the COVID pandemic. We do not want to think about the next big one, but we need to. Because one of the top White House officials who served under Biden, Stephanie Pisaki, says that experts think that another pandemic that's as bad as COVID, or even worse, could emerge in the next 25 years. There's a 50-50 chance of that happening. Yet the White House, it has even more cuts for the CDC and for global health in its new budget. I don't know about you, but I do not want these outbreaks to keep emerging and spreading like this, and I would like to not have to worry all the time about when the next big pandemic is going to hit, if we're even going to respond to it effectively. I remember what happened in 2020 under Trump. I wrote about all of this and more for The Guardian US in a recent article. I hope you look that up, and I hope you subscribe to this channel for more updates like this.